Digital peace of mind, how NordVPN elevates your online security. In an era where digital landscapes are both vast and unpredictable, the quest for online security has become paramount. Cyber threats lurk at every corner of the internet, making the need for a robust defense strategy more crucial than ever. Enter NordVPN, a leading virtual private network (VPN) service that goes beyond conventional security measures to provide users with a sense of digital peace of mind. Guarding the gateway, a primer on NordVPN's encryption. At the core of NordVPN's prowess lies its formidable encryption technology. Utilizing the industry-standard Advanced Encryption Standard (AES), with a 256-bit key, NordVPN ensures that your data remains confidential and secure. This military-grade encryption acts as an impenetrable shield, safeguarding your online communications from prying eyes, whether you're sending sensitive emails, conducting financial transactions, or simply browsing the web. Zero logs policy, where privacy takes center stage. Privacy is not just a feature for NordVPN, it's a commitment. The service operates under a strict zero logs policy, meaning it refrains from storing any user data. This includes your browsing history, connection timestamps, or any information that could compromise your identity. With NordVPN, you can traverse the internet with the assurance that your online footprint remains yours and yours alone. Global Shield, navigating the world with NordVPN. One of NordVPN's standout features is its expansive network of servers worldwide. With thousands of servers